What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to calculate your profits, your costs, and fees and everything associated with selling on Amazon because it can get confusing and I see a lot of people doing this wrong, especially when they're calculating their profits or the entire cash flow of it. There's a lot of people that will mistake certain things with their product costs or not know about certain fees. So I'm going to show you an example and walk you through how I do it exactly and what you need to do. So first thing is, for this product, I'm going to be using a letterboard as an example. So this product, let's say we are going to go buy it. We did our product research. We like this one. So it looks like they're selling for about anywhere from $17 to $24. So I'm just going to put ours, let's say we're going to sell it at $21.99. So first thing I would do is I'd go over on Alibaba, which you probably have already done, contact suppliers and get the costs and know those fees. Now it looks like they're anywhere from $2 to $4 or $5 on here. So we'll use this one as an example and just say we'll say it's $3 per piece. Now the tool I use, you can use other services, Viral Launch has one, but I'm going to use something called the Amazon FBA calculator. If you just Google that, it's literally the first thing that comes up. I typed in Amazon FBA Calc, and it's this first little link here. All you need is an Amazon account. And what we're going to do here is search up the exact product we're going to sell on Amazon. So we could click into one of these, or we can just search it by name and just type in letterboard, and it'll pull up the top products on here. And let's say we're going to do a 10 by 10 one like they're doing. And now this is some information we need to fill out. So don't worry about your fulfillment side unless you are not using FBA. Otherwise, only fill out this side and worry about this. So our item price, let's say we're going to sell at, we'll say $20.99. And our cost to ship to Amazon, well, with suppliers on Alibaba, they usually ship it directly to Amazon. So that's going to be $0. That shipping cost is already calculated in our product costs. And we said our product cost is $3, and we'll just say shipping is another dollar on top of that. So we'll say our product cost is $4. And then we'll click calculate. Move my head for you guys. We click calculate, and it tells us that our profit per unit is $8.62 after all fees. Now it will break down all the Amazon fees. So the first fee you have is the selling on Amazon fee, also known as the referral fee, which in most categories, it will be different for some, but most of the time it's $1 or 15% of the sale price, whatever is more. So if you're selling something for $5, you're going to be charged $1. If you're selling something for $20, you're going to be charged 15%, whichever is higher. So this $3.15 is just 15% of our sale price right here. So that's a cost. Now this cost only gets taken out after we sell a unit. So this money never comes out of our pocket, it just comes out of our profit. Same with the fulfillment by Amazon fee or FBA fee. You can see it's $5.22. Now this is relatively high because this is a bigger item and it weighs almost 2 pounds. You can see it's about a little over a foot by 2 inches. So normally, smaller products, you'll see this around $3, maybe $3.50. Is usually a normal price, sometimes $4, but $5.22, and you can see the breakdown. We're paying 13 cents a month for our product to be stored and $5.09 for Amazon to hold our inventory, store it, pack it up, and send it out when we get orders. So our total fees from Amazon are about $8 and we'll say 40 cents. And we are selling for $20.99, and then it costs us $4 to buy that product. So we're left with $8.62 profit. Now, one of the things I see a lot of people getting wrong here is they'll get this number here, $8.62, and then they'll say, well, I got to take out my product costs, even though they already took it out here, because they don't see you pay for your product early on, that money's out of your pocket, and then when you get a sale on Amazon, you're actually getting $12.62 back, because you're getting your product cost back once you sell it on Amazon, but only $8.62 of that is profit. So let me move over to an Excel sheet and make it make a little more sense for you because it is easier to see. So on this Excel sheet, move my head again. On this Excel sheet, let's say we're going to order 250 units. Actually, 250. So how much is our cost per unit? Well, we said per unit, it costs us $3. So that would be $750 for each unit. For shipping, we said it's $1 a unit. So that's $250. And then let's say we need to put our logo on, any UPC codes and whatnot. And we'll just say each of these are 10 cents for fun. Packaging, we're not going to do custom packaging. There's no other fees. So this is going to be $25. That'll be $25. So our total is $1,050. Now this is our product cost, $4.20 a unit. So I'll change that on here. So $4.20 a unit. Now let me go over. So those are just our product costs. So for 250 units, we're spending a little over $1,000 and then $4.20 a unit. Now, if we go over to our product profit, we need to put in the information we put in the FBA calculator. So we're going to sell for $20.99. Our product costs, we know we're $4.20. Our FBA fee is $5.22, which we got over here. And then referral fee, again, is just 15% of the sale price. So our total cost per unit is $12.50. Now, this is not what we pay up front. This does not come out of our pocket. This comes out of our pocket right here. So an example of this would be our total product costs were $1,050. So that is how much is coming out of our pocket. So we are spending $1,050, and when we sell all of our units with an $8.42 profit at $20.99, we will get back $3,155. But only $2,105 of that is profit. So what a lot of people get wrong here is they think, okay, I spent $1,000 and I made $2,000 profit. So I get $2,000 back, but I spent $1,000, so it's only $1,000 I'm making. No, you are spending $1,000, you're getting $3,155 back. $2,105 of that is profit. And I see a lot of people struggle with this concept. It took me a little bit to get this and understand that the money Amazon pays you is higher than your profit. Like I was saying before, your profit is $8.42 over here, but Amazon, each sale you get is paying you $12.62 because earlier on, you already spent this $4.20. Even if I delete that $4.20, you can see the seller proceeds don't change. Amazon is still paying me that same amount. So no matter what my product cost is, I'm going to get the same amount back from Amazon. But in order to calculate my profit, I need to take that cost of the product out. So it's pretty much that simple for calculating it. And what you can do if you want to break it down is make a little timeline. So I say, okay, I order my product January 1st. I'm negative $1,000. My product gets into Amazon, we'll say 2 weeks later, I make 10 sales. Okay, now I'm only down $850. And you can do it from negative all the way until you're positive. So you can start at negative 1,050 and you can go all the way until you're at positive 3,155. So you just need to look at the math and kind of think around it. The FBA calculator is very nice to use because you can see what the FBA fees will be before you go and dive into a product. Again, those are based on the weight and the dimensions. So this one is higher because it's a little bigger. But the only way to know the actual product cost, because you will see a lot of variation on this, you can see $7.80, you can see $1. How do you know what's right? You have to contact the supplier to really see. So that's going to be all for this video. If you guys are interested, I have a free Amazon mini course. It'll be the first link in the description. If you want that, just go put your email in and I will send you it. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in the next video.